Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link domain to websites on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to link our domain to a website on GoDaddy. So of course, once we are here, make sure to click at your name at the top right corner, click at my products so you get into the dashboard or the products page of your account. And here simply you will have to click at your domain name right here that you would like to link a website to. Of course, if you have a lot, make sure to just click on the domain name that you would like to link a website to, as we said. Of course, once you're here, make sure to click at add the websites. And of course, if you have the other option, you will find an edit websites right there. So make sure to click on it. Of course, as you can see here, you will get into the website builder, and here you can actually build your websites. So this is an example. This is going to be like a gaming website. The name should be this as an example. Click at next. So let's just wait for this until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. Let me just stop the recording until it's done and I'm coming back to you. Never mind, it's already done, it seems. So, of course, here you'll have to choose or if you want to continue for free or ready to choose a plan. Of course, you can choose if you want. And if you don't want, you can simply click at continue for free. And as you can see, this will be actually your website. So make sure to, let's just not care about this. Okay, that took us back. So let's just click on our website again. It will take us to the website builder again. And as you can see here, you can actually edit it and here make whatever changes you want. Then of course click as publish and every changes it will be published. For me, we're working on moving you to a free plan. It could take like 12 hours to update your account. That's why I cannot actually make some changes now. But for you, I guess you will be able to do it so easily. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.